So I'm gonna present the problem situation that I made here with my partner Jairo Lizas Morlinga. So basically what we did here is make 3 experiments about signal processing, more specifically with voice processing, so that we can identify the difference between voices of different people, um, like to do voice recognition using tools of statistical math, like it can be histograms, the mean, the variance, standard deviation, skewness, kurtosis, and different kind of graphs so that we can make the analysis. And basically, the first experiment, what we did was to record the voice of a person so that we can analyze the, the voice frequency, the signal of the voice in terms of frequency in the domain of frequency and also in domain of time. As we can see here, the voice we recorded, we can see here is in domain of time, as you can see here, and here in domain of frequency that we have different frequencies that the signal has. Uh, we have these tables we obtain but in MATLAB. As you can see here, it is the spectrum of the voice, the frequency spectrum of the voice. And we can have this statistical analysis of the voice. And then in the second experiment, what we did, it was to record the voice many times as we can. And in this case, we did it 50 times, and we obtained the mean of the signal. As you can see here, it is the mean of the signal. It is important to say that we use a phrase to get this mean of the voice signal. The phrase was buenas tardes. As you can see here, we repeated 50 times this phrase buenas tardes, and we obtained the same analysis as we made in the first experiment, but now with the mean of the signal. As you can see here, it is within the frequency domain. We have a histogram here of the amplitude across the time and some other statistical analysis. And basically we recorded 3 persons. As we can see here, we have the person 2, the person 1, we already did it in the first experiment, but we have the person 2. And what we did here is to analyze what's the difference between the voices. As we can see, this frequency uh, spectrum of frequency it's different between the other one that is right here. This is a voice of a man, and the voice of a woman is this one that is over here. And basically that was the problem situation, to analyze the signals, the voice signals that person have, so that we can know more about how to use tools, statistical tools to make recognition of voice. And it is important to say too that we can separate the frequencies or the different frequencies that have a signal by choosing Fourier series of signals in time domain. Thank you.